Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice at home without any soy sauce. We will focus on using day-old rice, which is key for that perfect texture. First, gather your ingredients, including your preferred protein and a colorful mix of vegetables. Then, we will prepare a fantastic homemade sauce that delivers all the savory notes you love, completely soy-free. Get ready to create a truly satisfying meal. Now, let's craft our incredible soy-free sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of tamari or coconut aminos with 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Finally, whisk in about a 1/4 teaspoon each of ginger powder and garlic powder. This blend creates a rich, umami-packed alternative that truly shines in our fried rice. With our sauce ready, it's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, in a large wok or skillet over high heat. First, stir-fry your chosen protein until cooked through, then add your vegetables and cook until tender crisp, about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula to ensure even cooking and distribution. For the grand finale, pour your delicious homemade soy-free sauce directly over the rice mixture. Toss everything together vigorously to ensure every grain of rice and every ingredient is beautifully coated. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the rice to heat through completely. Garnish with freshly chopped green onions and serve your amazing soy-free fried rice immediately. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.